What's up, everyone? Today, I'm really excited to talk about something that's become a huge part of our daily lives: online shopping. And what better example than Shopee? It's one of the most popular e commerce apps here in the Philippines and across Southeast Asia. I mean, seriously, who doesn't love the convenience of shopping from your home, right? So, Shopee is basically a digital marketplace that lets us buy and sell almost anything online. Whether you're on the hunt for the latest gadgets, fresh finds, or home essentials, or even groceries. Yes, even those groceries. Shopee's got you covered. What's really great about Shopee is how easy it is to use. You've got secure payment options, multiple delivery choices, and even live chat to talk directly to sellers. It's like having an entire mall right in the palm of your hands. And trust is a big part of why people feel confident in shopping here. Shopee's main goal is to make shopping accessible, quick, and most importantly, safe. It's able to connect buyers and sellers in a way that's super convenient, letting you shop whenever, wherever you want. Now, that's pretty impressive, right? But let's rewind for a bit. Before Shopee came along, we had to rely on physical stores and other online platforms, like eBay. Sure, eBay made it possible to buy and sell products online, but it focused more on auctions and international shipping. It wasn't exactly tailored to our needs here in Southeast Asia, which often meant longer wait times and higher costs. Traditional stores offered the in-person experience. You could see, touch, and try out products before buying. And eBay and other online marketplaces provided the convenience of shopping from home, but they had limitations, especially when it came to catering to the local market's needs. The main problems were accessibility and suitability. eBay focused on auctions and international shipping, which didn't work well for everyday items people needed quickly. Traditional stores like malls or department stores were limited by location and store hours, making it inconvenient for quick purchases. And let's be honest, searching for a specific item in a mall can be frustrating, navigating through different floors, asking around, and sometimes still not even finding what you need. Shopee addressed all those issues head on. Now we have freedom to shop anytime, anywhere, no limits. The variety of products is incredible, with local and international sellers all in one place. Plus, you can easily search for specific items, compare prices, read reviews, all from the comfort of your home. And let's not forget those irresistible discounts, promos, and vouchers that make our wallets a little happier. But I'm not here to paint a perfect picture. Shopee does have its flaws. Sometimes deliveries take forever, especially with international orders. And let's be honest, we've all had that moment when the product arrives and it looks like nothing like what you saw online. Plus, not everybody has a stable internet connection, which can be a real headache when you're trying to check out your cart. But here's the thing: Shopee is not just sitting around and doing nothing. They're on it. They're working on improving their logistics to speed up delivery times. An AI driven customer support is in the works. And get this, they're even exploring augmented reality shopping. Picture this: being able to try on your clothes virtually, or see how that new sofa will look like in your living room before you hit buy now. Now, that is some really next level stuff. These changes could seriously tackle some of the biggest issues Shopee is facing right now. Faster delivery means fewer frustrations. Improved seller verification means we get exactly what's promised. And what features that work with even spotty internet? That would be a game changer. Looking ahead, Shopee could address even more of our needs. They're considering quicker delivery options that could make same day and next day shipping the norm for local purchases. They're looking into more personalized shopping experiences using AI, which could suggest products based on past behavior and preferences and making shopping faster and more intuitive. And by enhancing transparency, such as clear seller rates and product information, Shopee can build greater trust, helping us users in decision making and feel more secure with their purchases. So yeah, Shopee isn't perfect, but they're definitely on the right track. They're not just about selling the right products, they're about improving how we shop online, making it smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. And I, for one, can't wait for to experience how they will keep changing the game. But let's go back. Before Shopee, Shopping in Southeast Asia and here in the Philippines centered around physical stores, malls, and markets. People place great value in being able to see, touch, and inspect products in person before purchasing. Now, Shopee was seen as a social activity where consumers enjoyed interacting with sellers, negotiating prices, and browsing through items with family or friends. However, this traditional shopping had its downsides. People were limited by the store hours and had to travel to different locations, and sometimes couldn't find the specific items they were looking for. But in comparison, online shopping was viewed with skepticism. People weren't confident in the security of online transactions, the quality of the products too, or the reliability of the delivery. They preferred physical shopping for the control and trust it offered, even though it wasn't always convenient or efficient. Shopee wasn't just introduced as another online platform. It was introduced as a solution that directly addressed all the limitations of traditional shopping while also resolving the concerns people had with earlier forms of online shopping. First, Shopee made shopping accessible at any time and form from anywhere, which was a huge improvement over physical stores. You didn't have to wait for the mall to open or worry about the store hours. With Shopee, you could browse, buy, and compare prices at your own convenience. This flexibility was something society needed as people became busier and were always looking for ways to shop efficiently. One of the most important innovations was the pricing. Because Shopee operates online and it doesn't have to cover the cost of running physical stores, like rent and utilities. Many of the items in Shopee are cheaper than in the traditional stores. This appeals to society that values getting more for less, especially during Shopee's massive sales. Events like 99, 11, 12. These sales mimic the rush and excitement in store sales, but with even deeper discounts, drawing in customers who would typically prefer shopping in person. Shopee also addressed trust and security, which were more major barriers in the earlier days of shopping. They introduced secure payment options like cash on delivery, making it easier for customers to trust that they would get their products before parting with their money. They also included real-time chat with sellers, allowing buyers to ask questions just like they would in a physical store, and enable customer reviews to help people feel more confident about what they're buying. Shopee also tailored itself to the region's heavy use of mobile phones. The platform was designed to work seamlessly on mobile devices, allowing people to shop on the go, which wasn't possible with traditional shopping or earlier online platforms. After Shopee's introduction, the way people in Southeast Asia shop has just changed dramatically. Now society values the convenience, accessibility, and efficiency that online shopping provides. People have come to trust online shopping as a reliable source and a secure way to purchase everyday items and essentials. Shopee has made it easier for users to browse through thousands of products, compare prices, and even interact with sellers, all without leaving their homes. The idea of waiting in line or traveling to multiple stores to find a specific item has been replaced by the ease of searching for products on Shopee, where they can find what they need in seconds with the platform's lower prices due to reduced overhead costs. And it's now normal for people to expect cheaper prices online than in physical stores. Those massive sales on dual dates, 99, 11, 12, have become huge events that people look forward to every year. These sales mimic traditional holiday sales in malls, but they offer better deals and wider product selection. Society now plans its shopping around these sales, something that wasn't the case with traditional shopping, where big discounts were limited to a few annual events. Shopee has transformed the shopping culture by addressing the shortcomings of traditional stores with their limited hours, location, barriers, and higher prices. And they have innovated to meet the needs of modern society, providing affordability and convenience and trust in online shopping. In the Philippines, Shopee has become a major part of everyday life for a lot of people. Whether it's groceries, household items, or gadgets, Filipinos utilize Shopee to avoid the hassles of physical shopping, especially with the traffic in cities like Manila. It is particularly useful for business professionals, families, and students who do not have time to visit stores or just want to manage their time better. And another way people utilize the Shopee is for the big sales, which have become highly anticipated events. And these are not just about saving money, but rather people utilize these sales to stock up on essentials, buy gifts, treat themselves to things that they would not otherwise afford. And thanks to deals like 1 peso specials and free shipping, Shopee is also a key platform for small businesses. Many entrepreneurs who do not have the resources for a physical store run their entire operation from home. For example, I met a family selling fish pet products in Shopee directly from their house, managing everything from inventory to shopping to shipping. I mean, this is common for small businesses, where Shopee utilizes them to reach a wider audience while avoiding overhead costs. In summary, Shopee is more than just an online shopping platform. It is a tool that helps people save time, get better deals, and even run businesses from home. Shopee meets some essential needs in the Philippines. One of the biggest is providing affordable goods. Many Filipinos face rising living costs, so Shopee helps by offering lower priced products compared to physical stores, thanks to reduced overhead and sellers and frequent promotion. And another crucial need is access to products that are not available locally. In more remote areas, people might not have access to specialty goods or imported items. Shopee fills the gap by offering a wide variety of products available for delivery anywhere, meaning people no longer need to travel to larger cities. For small businesses, Shopee has become an important aid to their business. Entrepreneurs who previously would not have needed significant capital to open a physical store can now sell products across the country through Shopee. This has become an opportunity for many to grow their businesses without the need for large upfront investments or means to acquire a physical store. Shopee stands out compared to its competitors, like Lazada and physical stores, for several reasons. First, Shopee is particularly accessible for small businesses, while Lazada tends to focus on larger international sellers. So Shopee is designed for local entrepreneurs. Shopee even offers programs like Shopee University, which helps sellers learn how to grow their businesses online. Moreover, Shopee's cash on delivery feature is a massive draw for Filipino consumers. While both Shopee and Lazada offer COD, Shopee's integration of this payment option is more extensive, making it accessible to a larger audience, particularly in rural areas. Shopee also engages users more actively throughout interactive features like Shopee Live, where sellers can live stream products, showcases, and Shopee games, which encourage regular visits to their Shopee app. Furthermore, Shopee has consistently dominated the market with a market share of 83.9% in the Philippines. Shopee also draws in more traffic with around 85 million monthly visitors, nearly double Lazada's 44.7 million, making it the go-to platform for both sellers and buyers in the region. And finally, when comparing Shopee to physical stores, it wins in terms of both convenience and product variety. Shopee's platform also allows customers to access a wider range of products, including local and international goods. The platform also helps customers manage their time, avoid hassles of traffic, and time it takes to travel to the stores. In conclusion, Shopee is a very useful tool that we everyday Filipinos use. And it's been a huge change in development from our past, from physical stores, from using cheaper and not really good user interface platforms for online shopping. But for the case of Shopee, it has truly evolved, and I'm glad to be part of this generation.